In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the page margins in Google Docs. So let's say I'm on my Google Docs. I access it by coming to docs.google.com and I'm here. Let me use this sample doc and I'm going to change the margin to this. All I need to do is to come to File, go to Page Setup, go to File, go to Page Setup, and you'll be able to have page settings over here. You can, whatever settings you apply, can hit on OK. But our target is margins, okay? So you can come down here and it's in inches. You can see the units in here. So you have the top, you can make it maybe 1.5. This is bottom, you can make it 1.5 as well. And then you can make the maybe 0.5 and this one as well, 0.5. So once you are okay with the changing, you can go ahead and select and it is going to change the margin. You can see it has just changed our margin the way it is. And if you want to take it back to the way it was, you can always come back, go to page setup and change everything to 1:1. And now you're back the way it was. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.